Hello student, this is the second lecture on application of derivative. To complete this lecture, I will complete 20 examples on application of derivative. तर व्हिडिओ कंप्लीट झाल्यानंतर 20 एक्झाम्पल्स कंप्लीट होती. ओके, या व्हिडिओमध्ये देखील आपण इक्वेशन ऑफ द टँजंट टू द गिवन कर्व ॲट द पॉइंट अँड इक्वेशन ऑफ द नॉर्मल बबल कर्व. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. Applications of derivative. First example, if the tangent to the curve x square is equals to px plus y at the origin is perpendicular to 6x plus 3y minus 11 is equals to 0. तर या कर्वला जी काय टँजंट असणार आहे ओरिजिनला ती या लाईनला कशी असणार आहे तर परपेंडिक्युलर आहे. म्हणजे या टँजंटचा स्लोप या लाईनचा मायनस अँड रेसिप्रोकल करणार. And what is the slope of this line? The slope of this line is a -2. And that's a minus and reciprocal that will become 1/2. Therefore, the slope of the tangent to the curve x square is equals to px plus y at origin is 2. Okay. बघूया आपण solution. Equation of the curve x square is equals to px plus y differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x square is a 2x, derivative of px is p, derivative of y is dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to 2x minus p. At origin means substitute x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. Then you will get the equation slope of the tangent is minus p. Okay. Now the equation of the line 6x plus 3y minus 11 is equals to 0. मग याचा स्लोप किती येणार? Its slope is a -2. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to minus p and that is equals to का ये टँजंट या लाईनला कशी आहे तर परपेंडिक्युलर आहे म्हणून या स्लोपचा मायनस अँड रेसिप्रोकल घेणार. ओके, दॅट इज अ मायनस अँड रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस इज अ -1/2. that minus and minus that will become plus. Therefore, minus p is equals to 1/2. Therefore, p is equals to minus 1/2 and hence option D हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो करेक्ट आहे. Easy example है. Next example, if the tangent to the curve y is equals to x in bracket x minus 1 at the point AB is a parallel to x-axis. मग tangent ही कशी आहे तर x-axis ला parallel आहे. Therefore, its slope is 0. Okay. Now the equation y is equals to okay. Y is equals to I will change here. Y is equals to x in bracket x minus 1 simplify करना y is equals to x square minus x differentiate with respect to x dy by dx is equals to derivative of x square is a 2x, derivative of x is 1. The tangent is parallel to x-axis. X-axis la parallel, therefore its slope is 0. Therefore, the value of this dy by dx is equals to 0 at the point A and B. Therefore, we substitute here x is equals to A and y is equals to B. The x is replaced by a करना 2a minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, if we simplify this, then you will get here a is equals to 1/2. And as a is equals to 1/2, if a is equals to 1/2, then it means that x is equals to 1/2. If we substitute the value of x in this equation, then you will get here that is a 1/2 in bracket 1/2 minus 1. Therefore, y is equals to minus 1/4. And the point किती मिळेल तुम्हाला तर 1/2 and minus 1/4. It means that a is 1/2 and b is minus 1/4. And hence option B हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो करेक्ट आहे. Next example, if the line x plus y is equals to 0 touches the curve y square is equals to ax cube plus b at 1 minus 1, then the value of a and b. Okay, तर ही या कर्वला x plus y is equals to 0 या कर्वला कसे टच होते. It means that this is the tangent to the curve y square is equals to ax cube plus b. Okay, आणि तो पॉइंट पण त्याने आपल्याला दिलेला आहे. Therefore, we will differentiate this. Okay, and the it's a gradient म्हणजे याचा dy by dx is equals to slope of this line. मग या लाईनचा स्लोप किती असणार आहे x plus y is equals to 0. means what y is equals to minus x. Therefore, the slope of this line is -1. मग याचा dy by dx find out करायचा तो equal to -1 करायचा. x is replaced by 1, y is replaced by -1, then you will get the value of a and b. Now see this here. Y square is equals to ax cube plus b, differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of y square is a 2y into dy by dx. Derivative of 3a x cube means what? 3a x square. Derivative of b is 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to 3a x square upon 2y. At the point 1 and -1 means x is replaced by 1 and y is replaced by -1. Then you will get here minus 3a upon 2. Okay, minus 3a upon 2. We have replaced here x is 1 and y is a -1. But the tangent at 1 and -1 is x plus y is equals to 0. मग या tangentचा slope किती? Its slope is a -1 and therefore minus 3a upon 2 is equals to -1. If we simplify this, then you will get here a is equals to 2 by 3. a ची व्हॅल्यू 2 by 3. म्हणजे आपल्याला कोणते ऑप्शन्स या ठिकाणी मिळू शकतात? ऑप्शन ए आणि सी या ठिकाणी मिळू शकतो. आता बी ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायची आहे. The point 1 and -1 lies on this curve. That is y square is equals to ax cube plus b. आणि मग ते सिम्प्लिफाय करणार. Replace here y as -1. -1 चा स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 झाला. a plus b is equals to 1. Substitute the value of a, which is the 2 by 3. If we simplify, then you will get here b is equals to 1 by 3. And a is equals to 2 by 3 and b is equals to 1 by 3. And hence option C is the correct here. Next example. The coordinates of the point on the curve y is equals to x minus 4 upon x. The tangent at which is perpendicular to x plus 2y is equals to 0 r. Okay. Now this is the curve y is equals to x minus 4 upon x. Okay. The tangent at which is perpendicular to this line. म्हणजे या कर्वला आपण tangent घेणार आहोत आणि ते tangent या लाईनला कशी असणार तर ती perpendicular असणार आहे. Therefore the slope of the tangent is म्हणजे या लाईनचा स्लोप किती असणार आहे? The slope of this line is y is equals to -1 upon 2x means what slope is a -1 upon 2. Therefore, the slope of the tangent to this curve is 2. Okay. बघा इथे y is equals to x minus 4 upon x. Differentiate this with respect to x. Then you will get your derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 1 upon x is a -1 upon x square. Minus that will become plus. Now the slope of the line. Okay. x plus 2y. या लाईनला या कर्वची tangent कशी आहे तर perpendicular आहे. Then what is the slope of this line given line? That is m is equals to -1 upon 2. मग त्या tangentचा slope किती असणार आहे तर -1 upon 2 चं minus and reciprocal that you will get here 2. Means what 1 plus 4 upon x square is equals to 2. Okay. पुन्हा हे simplify करणार. Then you will get here x is equals to plus or minus 2. म्हणजे plus or minus 2 ऑप्शन कुठे तर a हा आपल्याला इथे ऑप्शन मिळतो. And hence you will get here the point is plus or minus 2 comma 0. किंवा तुम्ही या इक्वेशन मध्ये ते सबस्टिट्यूट करू शकताय x square minus 4 upon x. If you substitute it, x is equals to plus or minus 2, then you will get here y is equals to 0. And hence option A हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो करेक्ट आहे. Next example. The coordinates of the point on the curve y is equals to x times log of x at which the normal is parallel to this line 2x minus 2y is equals to 3. तर या कर्वला नॉर्मल असणार आहे आणि ती कोणाला पॅरलल आहे या लाईनला पॅरलल आहे. ओके. म्हणजेच या कर्वचा आपण काय फाइंड आउट करणार ग्रेडियंट त्याचा मायनस अँड रेसिप्रोकल करणार आणि तो या लाईन बरोबर इक्वेट करणार. देन यू विल गेट द रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट. ओके. y is equals to x times log x. Differentiate this with respect to x. dy by dx is equals to keep x as it is. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Okay. Next x will get cancelled. Next derivative of x is 1 into log x. Okay. Therefore dy by dx is equals to 1 plus log x. If the normal is parallel to this line, that is a 2x minus 2y is equals to 0. Then what is the slope of this line? The slope of this line is 1. Therefore म्हणजे हा tangentचा this is the slope of the tangent. Then what is the slope of the normal? म्हणजे 1 plus log of x चा minus and reciprocal करायचा. That is equals to minus 1 upon 1 plus log x. Now the slope of what is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is a 1. and equate to the 1 बरोबर equate करणार. Simplify this. Then you will get here 1 plus log of x is equals to minus 1. It means that log of x is equals to minus 2. Therefore, x is equals to e raised to minus 2. Put x is equals to e raised to minus 2. Then you will get here y is equals to e raised to minus 2. Log of e raised to minus 2. Then what you will get here? That is equals to minus 2 times e raised to minus 2. And hence the required point is, म्हणजे काय हा -2 काय होणार तर तो पुढे येणार log of e to the base e इथे 1 येणार. Therefore y is equals to, you will get here y is equals to -2 e raised to -2. This is the value of y. Okay. And what about the value of x? Value of x is equals to e raised to -2 and value of y is a -2 e raised to -2. And hence the option D is correct here. Okay. Next example. The point on the curve y is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x at which the tangent line are parallel to this line. Y is equals to 3x minus 2 r. Okay. मग काय करणार इथे? We will find out the gradient, म्हणजेच याचा slope find out करणार. Find out the dy by dx. आणि या कर्वला जी टँजंट आहे ती या लाईनला कशी आहे तर पॅरलल आहे, म्हणजे या लाईनचा स्लोप घेणार, तो इक्वेट करणार याच्याशी. देन यू विल गेट दी रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट्स. ओके, नाउ सी दिस हियर. y is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x, find out dy by dx. x cube चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 3x square minus 2x square चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह minus 4x, x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1. If the tangent is parallel to y is equals to 3x minus 2, therefore the slope of the tangent is 3. आणि इथे इक्वेट करणार आपण ते. दॅट इज 3x square minus 4x minus 1 is equals to 3. हा 3 इकडे येणार. You will get the quadratic equation and hence the x coordinate of the x are x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 2 by 3. हे आपल्याला 102 coordinate मिळाले. मग x is equals to 2 आणि x is equals to minus 2 by 3. हे दोन पॉइंट्स कुठे आहेत ते इथे बघणार. म्हणजे हा इथे पहिला इथे आपल्याला मिळत आहे आणि इथे देखील मिळणार आहे. म्हणजे दोन ऑप्शन्स या ठिकाणी 3 ऑप्शन्स इथे करेक्ट मिळतात. व्हॉट अबाउट द y? when x is equals to 2, the y is equals to minus 2, and when x is equals to minus 2 by 3, then y is equals to minus 14 upon 27, and hence the required point x is equals to 2, then y is equals to minus 2. X is equals to minus 2 by 3, then y is equals to minus 14 upon 27 are the required points, and hence option C या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो करेक्ट आहे. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. The tangent to the curve y is equals to 2x cube minus 2 at which x is equals to plus or minus 2r. Okay. Now here the y is equals to 2x cube minus 2, then dy by dx. Okay. dx of 2x cube minus 2 तो किती आला तर 6x square. The slope of the tangent at x is equals to 2, that is equals to 24. The slope of the tangent at x is equals to minus 2, it is again the 24. It means that since the slopes are equal, therefore the tangents are parallel. Okay. मग त्या tangent कसे असणार त्या पॉइंटला x is equals to plus or minus 2 ला? They are the parallel because we have the equal slopes. And hence option A हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो करेक्ट आहे. Next example. The equation of the normal to the curve y is equals to cubic root of x minus 1 at the point x is equals to 1 on 8 is equation of the normal find out करायचं आहे. आणि पॉइंट पण दिला आपल्याला x is equals to 1. First of all, when x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 0. The normal is required at 1, 0. या पॉइंटला ती नॉर्मल असणार आहे. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx. The derivative of y is equals to cubic root of x minus 1 is 1 by 3. X minus 1 bracket is to minus 2 by 3. Therefore dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 3 in bracket x minus 1 and bracket is to minus 2 by 3. If we substitute x is equals to 1, then you will get here 1 upon 0. Therefore at 1, 0, dy by dx is not defined. Okay. Therefore the tangent at 1, 0 is parallel to y-axis. Okay. Because the slope of the y-axis is not defined. it must be parallel to y-axis. Then what about the normal? मग normal कशी असते? Normal is a perpendicular to this y-axis. Okay. मग ते y-axis ला parallel जर असणारे tangent, मग त्याला perpendicular काय असणार आहे? तर normal असणार आहे. Therefore, normal at 1, 0 is a parallel to x-axis. X-axis ला ते parallel असणार आहे. Therefore, its equation is y is equals to 0. Okay. And this is the equation of the normal, and hence option B is correct here. Next example. The equation of the normal to the curve y square in bracket 2a minus x is equals to x cube at the point a comma minus a is. Okay. Now the point a comma minus a satisfies only the first option. हाच फक्त तो काय satisfy करतो. If we substitute x is equals to a and y is equals to minus a, then what you will get here? That is equals to 3a. 3a is equals to 3. What about here? It is not possible. इथे जर आपण substitute केलं तर काय मिळणार? This is a, that is a 4a minus 2a not equals to 0. Okay, and hence the required answer is option is a x minus 2y is equals to 3. This is the required equation of the normal. Okay, by observation तुम्हाला ते जमू शकते. Next example. First option is the correct one. The inclination of the normal to the curve xy is equals to a at the point root a is. तर नॉर्मल आपल्याला त्याचं inclination means angle theta find out करायचं आहे. xy is equals to a, therefore y is equals to a upon x, dy by dx is equals to minus a upon x square. Slope of the normal. Okay. तर हा dy by dx आलेला आहे. मग slope of the normal काय? तर याचं minus and reciprocal. That minus and minus that will become plus. Okay. म्हणजे काय मिळेल तुम्हाला x square upon a. But what is the x here? X is a root 2. Sorry, root a. Therefore, x is replaced by root a. Upon this a, root a bracket square upon a means what you will get here a upon a, and that is equals to 1. Therefore, the slope of the normal at root a comma root a is 1. It means that the angle must be, or its inclination of the normal must be pi by 4. कारण की tan of pi by 4 is 1. And hence option C हा या ठिकाणी कसा आहे तर तो correct आहे. Okay. And in this way, we have completed the 10 questions here. Now we will see and then in the next video. Till then, goodbye.